I am Trainer Dean Allen, and I present to you all the story of Trainer. Along with the sun and engines right now, let's go.
Sodor fallout. Edward escaped from the blast. It has been a while since the sodor fallout event, and all the engines were running like their normal selves.
See you later, friend.
But the engines are curious to see what happened to Edward during the blast. So later in the sheds, they ask Edward, "Say, Edward, can you tell what happened during the blast?"
Yeah, and all of us got mutated.
Sure. And this was the story Edward told. Edward was at Wellsworth picking up passengers when a normal day on July 4th, beside that power plant being there, of course. That was when the power went there. The power plant exploded. Let's get out of here. All engines go! This is heavy. I can't wait for the radiation. Million, get out of here. What? Why? The radiation. No. Already. What? The radiation! Oh, here comes the shockwave! The shockwave broke the windows on my coaches. The shockwave broke the windows on the coaches, but I didn't stop until I got to the next station. Me. We're here. Now quick, passengers, go behind the station. I'm scared. And bored. And okay, I know for sure there's another engine who escaped. A whistle. Wait a minute, I know that whistle from anywhere. The engine being James, but he was not happy. He arrived at the station. He took his anger out on me, as he usually does. I do not. Yes, you do. The only reason I was angry that day because I saw something, and because of a certain tram engine, I left half of my coaches at the station. Hey, I have to make sure Henrietta was okay.
Oh no.
All right, y'all two, knock it off.
James, you okay? Shut up, Pepper. I'm in a bad mood. Of course you are. What happened? I left half my coaches at the other station while escaping from the blast. All because Toby had to worry about his stupid coach, Henrietta. Well, at least Toby and Henrietta are safe. I'm glad you're safe, James. Me too, I guess. So, well, after staying at the station for a while, we decided to head to the mainland, and I'm sure y'all probably know what happened next.
James got mutated.
Yep. He also crashed as Edward found out a few minutes later. It seems like I told him to wait, but did he wait? No, he didn't. Forget it. Oh well. Let's just go to Titmush's sheds. Maybe there's a surviving engine here. And get water on there. Hey, and still no surviving engines here. Wait, who's that? Oh, Trap Digger, I'm glad you're okay. Wait, who on earth is that coming? Oh my God, it's Thomas, and he's been horribly mutated. Edward, my son, is he okay? Well, no. I will go find your son. I'll come with you. No, person, I'm gonna. How about you keep Thomas safe and happy? He seems pretty shaken up by the whole ordeal. Okay.
What happened?
Luckily, I found me Blue Thomas safe and sound, and I took him here to see his father. And then Reboot Thomas popped out again, and Reboot Thomas ran to go after them. I did what I could do best, Edward. Pop around. Not a pack million, but he was mutated too. Million? Okay. Look at that video. Bye. I'm gonna go back around while y'all talk. So Reboot Thomas seemed out, unknown to the other engines. Oh no, another mutated engine! That's Emily! And sure enough, a mutated Emily was chasing after him. Hunt! I got an idea.
We'll go to lunchblock.com/PC33 now. Enrollment takes just minutes. That's 1-800.
Yeah, got it.
If they're arrested. Find a solution.
Phew, another mutant avoided. At least now all the engines are cured. Yeah, right, Reboot Thomas? Reboot Thomas, where is he? Guys, we got a problem. What? When you said all the engines are cured, one engine is not is still mutated. And who's that? Emily. What? Emily is still mutated? Well, looks like we got more mutated engines out there. Yeah, so let's... mutated Emily. We better get out of here.
Green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All in different roles to play, in the sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the lanes, Thomas and his friends. Thomas,
He's the cheeky one.
James,
He's vain but lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a mail on time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help